No, I know I hit him because he spun. We're gonna get down and look for him. And I got good blood here, so I'm gonna just take you guys with me. My ears are ringing, so I don't know if he crashed, but here, I mean, you can see just absolute, a blood trail. And there he is. Wow, he's big. Awesome. I'm going to get him in the field. Stinks, and we'll get a better look at him. That's awesome. Now I know one of my calls work, and we're in business now. Well, I apologize for my heavy breathing. He's laying right there. He went, probably about 40 yards, and he kind of went down the hill. So I had to pull him up out of there, and I can't get too close with the scope, otherwise it loses focus. I'll show you best I can. But a nice coyote. Came into the distress. I seen him come out of the bottom, and I couldn't believe that he came running up the hill. And just put a good shot on him through the brush. 223 got the job done. Time to get him out of here. I shot a coyote. This is one of the best parts about all this. My two best friends, I always tell them every day, you want me to go shoot a coyote, shoot a deer? They love seeing them. Are you ready? Okay. That's what I love about this. This makes them so happy. That's Coyote.